Hello and welcome back. Looks like today we're working on puzzle 131. And let's just start off with this column here. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, so we're missing an 8. For this box then, we're missing a 2 and a 6. We've got a 6 here, so 2, 6. If we look at this box, looks like we're missing 3, 4, and 6. We've got a 3 here and a 4 here, so 6. That 4 makes this our 3 and our 4. For this column then, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We're missing 8 and 9, and I don't see any help. So 8, 9, 8, 9. For this column, we're missing 2 and 5. We've got a 5 here. So 2, 5. For this row then, still missing 8 and 9, but we've got the 9 here, so that makes us our 8, and the 8 makes us our 9 and 8. For this box then, we're missing 2, 5, and 6. We've got the 5 covering both of these boxes, so our 5 has to go here. We've got a 6 here, so 2, 6. For this row then, we're missing a 2 and an 8. We've got a 2 here, so 8, 2. For this box then, we're missing 4 and 9. We've got a 4 here, so 9, 4. For this row, looks like we're missing 3, 4, and 5. We've got a 3 and 5 here, so 4, 5 here, so 3, 5. For this row, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're missing 6, 8, and 9. We've got an 8 and 9 here, so 6. A 9 here, so 8, 9. This box, we're missing 1 and 2. We've got a 1 here, so 2, 1. For this box, looks like we're missing 3 and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 3, 9. To finish off this column, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We're missing a 7. For this column, looks like we're missing 2 and 6. We've got a 2 here, so 6, 2. For this box then, we're missing a 4 and an 8. We've got a 4 here, so 8, 4. For this row now, we're missing 3 and 6. We've got a 3 there, so 6, 3. For this column, looks like we're missing 2 and 5. We've got a 5 here, so 2, 5. For this column then, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We're missing 7 and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 7, 8. And to finish out this box, we're missing 1 and 9. We've got a 9 here, so this is our 1, and there's our 9. And that will do it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have a really good day, and I will see you back here tomorrow for our next puzzle.